My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the ransomware called Darkbit. My video is only for educational purposes. In my video, I will show you the negative consequences of the ransomware attack. Obviously, before the ransomware attack, you're able to open your files without troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data can be opened easily without any complications at all. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Darkbit ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the device. So very soon, people realize that something bad has taken place with their data and that they cannot use their files anymore. This ransomware encrypts these files and appends this special Darkbit extension to the file names. So very soon it's not possible to use these files anymore. Indeed, the files are encrypted and damaged. The ransomware tells the victims that they should pay a special ransom for file restoration. But paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money. We recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware. We recommend you to use a special program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. To download it, you will need to use Internet Explorer browser because other browsers like Google Chrome may also be damaged by this ransomware. So through Internet Explorer browser, go to the website combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and then after it gets successfully installed, start Combo Cleaner and begin researching your computer with its help. The program is initially in the trial mode. Only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the software will first of all update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Then at the lapse of some time you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations. Combo Cleaner is provided with anti-ransomware feature. It allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. However, Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It only helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data from further ransomware attacks. But once again, let me emphasize that Combo Cleaner does not recover, it does not decrypt files. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. You will be able to remove these threats with the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus.